In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Bitget to bank account. So firstly, open up Bitget and log into your Bitget account. So once you've logged into your Bitget account, make sure you have also verified your phone number, ID and everything, because you need to verify your ID and everything in order to add your banking details to your account here. So what are you going to do? We're going to do this through once you're here logged in, click on the more option on the home screen, and then the only way how you can withdraw from Bitget to bank account is through P2P. So select P2P from this option here. Okay, so when you select P2P here, so what we're going to do, click on the three dots which is in the top right there, and then here once your account is verified, you will see the option to add payment method. So click on add payment method and then select the payment method which is like bank transfer. So from all the available option, you go to choose bank transfer. Okay, you go to choose bank transfer and then plug in the details of your bank account and get that connected. So once that's connected, so what we're going to do now is, once you're on the P2P section here, click on the selling tab here. So you go to sell your assets to a merchant and the merchant will pay you back to your bank account. So that's how this works. So once you have assets to sell, say I don't really have an assets here, but once you have assets to sell, simply sell it to any merchant, and then once you have sell it, and they will pay you back to your bank account. So in that way you will be able to withdraw funds from your Bitget to your bank account, and that's how it works.